did a very interesting star trail the other night, and I thought I'd just let you know how we did it. So we've got this Manfrotto super clamp attached to what they call a magic arm, and finally attached to a little GoPro 13 black. And the wonderful thing about this is it gets quite complicated if you've got to do this with DSLRs or mirrorless cameras or things like that. But in the GoPro there's actually a setting for star trails. So it's really technical. Select star trails, point it up at the sky and hit the go button, and just leave it on as long as you like. Now what I found is the first time I tried it, we very quickly ran out of battery on the little GoPro, and we only ended up with about 4 seconds of star trails, these beautiful star trails that show the rotation of the Earth. I then connected a rather large battery bank to this and set it up again, and here's the thing, we got a whole evening's worth of star trails, and that gave us about 30 seconds or thereabout of star trail movie. As regarding the direction we're going to point it, I very easily determined roughly where south was, just using the Southern Cross and the pointers. If you're unsure of that, Google is your friend, and it shows you pretty accurately where the South Pole is. And so we pointed the camera at the South Pole. That's west at the moment, where the sun is, so south would be over there, and we pointed there up at the sky and set it going. The Earth rotates around that point, and you get these gorgeous star trails happening in the dark sky. Give it a go. We had a lot of fun doing it. Good luck. Cheers.